They might get a little frustrated, but it's okay. Wait, that's on the wrong side. Okay, sorry. Dang on, see, that's why I gotta check this. Okay, let's flip. So I messed that up. So it's gotta be that one. They are a lot calmer today, so maybe something's working in there. As long as we don't kill any, they get a little. We start killing bees, they get a little upset. You want to grab this frame, put it in there? Just grab the sides. Yep, you're fine. The edges. And just pull it straight up. There you go. Careful. Okay, let's look at it. Not too bad. There's one hive beetle. But I ain't worried about them today because we're gonna do this. We got something for them today. Get that vacuum. Where's the little vacuum cleaner at? Yep, get that for me. I can't see any beetles in there. All right, she's not laying this one, so we'll put this on the outside. There's a beetle right there. Hit that button for me. Push the button on.
Where's the beetle?
Right. Oh, she stung me.
Mm.
It didn't get through though. Right there's a beetle. See him right here? See him? Right there. There's a couple of them. Look.
Here?
Yeah. Push the button in. Right there. Right here. Right here. Hit him. Right here. Okay. Right here. Right in there. Just go ahead. Okay. Right here. 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 There you go. Right there. You got a good eye. Think of someone right. Let's get him out. Nah, okay, wait. See him in there? Now they're in there. So they're trapped for now. We'll set them on fire later.